Okay, the last part of the strategy materials and lessons is about the board of directors, vision, mission, values, and process. Something like that. We already talked a little about vision and mission. We are not coming back to that. But here we talk also about board of directors. So what is the quite top management of the company? So there are board of directors. In Finnish, that is yhtiöhallitus. And there also the management team. So board of directors is something that leads the corporation, the big ones, and they are not part of the daily operations in the company. They are talking about what is happening in the market, what is changing in the porter way, so to say, talking about what is happening in the supplier front, in the customer front. Are they entering someone? Is this coming new rivalry, new products like that? That kind of thinking, and of course the general economic situation. And one major thing, a big thing for the board of directors is that they are selecting the CEO, chief executive officer, or the big boss, so to say. In Finnish, pääjohtaja or toimitusjohtaja, the managing director in English. That is some major thing, and that is normally the chairman of the board who is taking care of this, or who is responsible of finding a new CEO and firing the old one if needed, and it's needed quite often in that sense that there was some statistics over there that the lifetime of a CEO in a Finnish stock exchange company that are public in stock exchange is something like 3 years. So if you someday will be nominated to be a CEO in a bigger company, your average lifetime is something like 3 years. Okay. And who is taking care of that part is the chairman of the board. And we have examples. There's a guy on the video who is telling about these things, and also Steve Jobs got fired from Apple. He was the founding person of the company, and he was the main shareholder and like that, owner of the company. So he was working in his own company and he got fired. And hey, this can happen. And he sold all his shares of Apple. He bought part of the company Pixar, which is making cartoon movies, of this kind of computerized cartoon movies, which was something new then. Toy Story, and like that. You may know better. I haven't seen too much of them because of obvious reasons. And then he made couple $2, $3, $4 billion extra on top of what he had. So then he had, well, quite nicely already. And then he bought Apple back and kicked the ass of the other guys. Yeah, I would have been a little bit pissed off as well. Would you? You put up a company, you own the company, and you are kicked out of the company. So in that sense, I can imagine that he was the board of the director, and then he kicked ass for the CEO and like that, and the rest is history, so to say. And then I'm telling about something about how I'm trying to think. That is something difficult without a real discussion. But I'm drawing you the picture of a company process, so to say. So that is something I think is general knowledge and information that how the company works in the big picture. And here I have explained, this is my own vision. So I explain here that we have the strategy, which is based on vision, mission, and values. I explained that on the previous video, and there we find out that on strategy, this is based our market and customers and products. So our business is based on strategy on that sense, and our marketing is based on the market area and potential customers like that. So we are telling the customers we are here and we are adding your value if you buy our products and services. It is important for us. And then hopefully, if not. So what's the difference between sales and marketing? One word. 2 words. Cash flow. Marketing is expensive and you throw money out of the company, and sales is the place where you get it back, hopefully multiplied. And I think one of the most marketing phrases are coming from Royal Dutch Shell. The former CEO of Royal Dutch Shell told that yes, we know half of our marketing money is lost for nothing, but we don't know which part. That was nice. I like that. I can remember it from one saying, so to say. So marketing is telling the customers we are here. Sales is getting order for our products and services. So basically getting money. And then we have the production and people and machines and logistics and whatever there are to really add the value to make the product and make the service and like that. So what is the people want and need from us? And the last part is the invoicing. And that's again something. Invoicing. Well, who says it? Hey, who says that invoicing is important thing? Oh yeah, I say, I've been an entrepreneur. If you neglect the invoicing, there are 2 possibilities. 1, you are stupid, or 2, you are stupid. But there are an addition to that. If your company is running marvelously, you are just stupid. But if your company is not running marvelously and you neglect invoicing, you are stupid and in bankruptcy, and that's very stupid. Yeah, invoicing is important. That's a place where the money comes in. Now, have you heard about Santa Claus? Santa Claus is living in Finland, in a place called Korvatunturi, Ear Hill in North Lapland. And those companies who are not taking care of the sales and invoicing, they believe that the Santa Claus is coming and bringing them money. Now I tell you that it's not true. Santa Claus is not true. It's just a story. Little people get presents from their parents. I know. I paid them years and years. So little children are getting presents from their parents, not from Santa Claus. And the companies are not getting their money from Santa Claus, they are getting it from the customers. And how do they get it? They send invoices. And if you neglect sales and invoicing, you are dead. Yeah, that's why it was here. Hopefully you learned something. I've been an entrepreneur. I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, all right.